Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I thought I would show you my vintage butter slicer and tell you all about it. When I was growing up, my mother never put butter on the table unless it was already sliced. I think this was something that she learned when she was cooking for wealthy families as a teenager. If you're new to this channel, my mom quit school after the 8th grade during the Great Depression to start working to help her family. She worked as a cook and housekeeper for a wealthy couple. They treated her very well and taught her many things. One of those things was to never serve butter unless it was already sliced. So whenever my mom and dad hosted Thanksgiving or Christmas or any holiday party, my mom always served sliced butter, and this is the tool that she used to slice it. Let me show you how it works. This is my vintage butter dish, which I just love. It has a cover on it, and it shows the couple, and it's drawn by a one-horse open sleigh. So I just love this butter dish, and now this is what I'll be putting my butter in. Now the first thing I had to do is open up the wrapper on the butter, and then next you take the cutter and you put it over the butter, and then all you do is press down, and this is how easy it is. And then you take your butter dish, and what I usually do is I turn it over with the wrapper, and what I like to do is just like poke it through, and that slices your butter. So now it's all sliced and ready to be served at the table. This can be used to slice cheeses if they fit, or anything that is soft enough and small enough for it to be sliced, but my mom mainly used hers for butter. They are really a great little gadget. I always use mine, and I have given these to many people as Christmas gifts through the years. I will put a link to the butter slices below this video if you would like to check them out. Grandpa and I wish you a very happy holiday season.